Technology was small enough to fit in your jacket pocket. Well, that future is arriving fast, and it's called the DJI Mini. 5 Pro DJI is once again redefining what's possible with compact drones, and this time, it's not just an incremental update, it's a leap. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot, a filmmaker, an influencer, someone who just wants their travel footage to look like a Netflix documentary, the Mini 5 Pro might be your new best friend. Weighing under 250 grams, it stays below the regulatory radar in most countries, giving users freedom to fly with fewer restrictions. But despite its featherweight frame, this drone is packing some serious muscle, with a rumored 1-inch or 1.3-inch image sensor and an f1.7 or even variable aperture lens. The Mini 5 Pro promises sharper photos and jaw-dropping low-light video. Imagine shooting golden hour beach scenes or fast-moving subjects without grainy footage or clumsy focus. This drone is built for that level of performance. You'll likely get 4,000 video at 60 frames per second, full 10-bit color, and HDR support, which means vivid, lifelike footage with plenty of room for color grading. And if you're not the kind of person who likes fiddling with manual camera settings, DJI's expected AI-powered features like smart framing, master shots, and enhanced quick shots will do the hard work for you. Just tap and let the drone do its thing while you enjoy the view. But it doesn't stop at visuals. Flight time is expected to go beyond 40 minutes thanks to better software optimization, not just a bigger battery. Think of it like a smart car, adjusting power consumption depending on wind conditions and flight mode, giving you more airtime without weighing the drone down. Fast charging and a redesigned charging hub also mean you'll spend less time waiting and more time flying. Navigation and safety have taken a big leap too, with rumored 360 obstacle sensing making tight, complex flight paths safer and more reliable. AI-powered tracking with predictive motion means your drone can keep up with a mountain biker, wildlife, or even a hyperactive dog running through the woods, and it'll maintain framing without you needing to panic on the controls. The Mini 5 Pro is also turning into a mobile production studio. From gesture controls to real-time autofocus, auto exposure balancing, possibly even cloud uploads and instant editing templates, DJI wants you to shoot, edit, and post all without a laptop. That's not just convenient, it's a game changer. For solo creators and on-the-go storytellers, despite its tiny size, this drone is built tough. Improved materials, better gimbal protection. And reinforced hinges mean it can handle wind, minor impacts, and unpredictable environments with ease. It's the kind of gear you can take anywhere, city, mountain, beach, you name it, and trust it to perform. And the best part, it appeals to everyone. Beginners can lean on guided flight modes, crash prevention, and user-friendly apps, while pros will appreciate the customization, advanced waypoint navigation, and total creative control. Starting at a rumored $999, it's not exactly cheap, especially with bundles pushing beyond $1,200. But you're not just buying a drone, you're investing in a full-featured, future-ready creative tool. Now, not everything is perfect. The price tag may scare off casual users, and new users might face a bit of a learning curve with DJI's ecosystem. Plus, DJI needs to ensure the rumored AI features work without bugs no one wants. A drone crash caused by a software glitch mid-flight. But if DJI delivers on even half of what's being promised, the Mini 5 Pro could become the go-to drone for content creators everywhere. It's compact, powerful, smart, and designed to keep up with your creativity wherever it takes you. This breakdown helped you understand what makes the Mini 5 Pro such a big deal. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. And hey, check out our comparison between the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3. Linked on the end screen, it'll help you decide if you should upgrade now or hold out for the Mini 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next flight.